The next thing we do is to pour the green pepper and carrots into a steaming rack and steam. The green beans should have been steamed, but I took that long process because I forgot to remove the the thread-like stuff in it, which will make it unable for baby to swallow it or to really enjoy it. That is why. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to remove it before cooking. That way you can just steam the carrots, the green beans and bell pepper together all at once without going through the process of boiling, blending and taking out the thread-like um fiber in it. So yeah.